Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change number Coinbase, only ways. Open Coinbase, sign in, and go to Settings to begin updating your phone number via the security menu. Verify your identity by following prompts, entering the new phone, and confirming codes sent to both numbers when required. If you hit a verification roadblock, contact support from the Help Center and follow their instructions to complete the change securely. Changing your phone number needs careful verification to keep your account safe. First, ensure two-step verification is active, and you can access the old number for a confirmation code. Enter the code promptly, then provide the new number and wait for the second confirmation code. Complete both steps without refreshing the page, and keep any backup codes handy in case your old device is unreachable or codes fail to arrive. Quick recommendation: on another note, these leak-proof containers make meal prep simple and prevent spills while you handle account security on the go. They stack neatly in bags, seal tightly, and save time between tasks. If you are finding this video helpful, subscribe and like to support more tips and walkthroughs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If you cannot access the old phone, start the identity verification flow and be ready to upload a clear photo of your ID and a selfie if requested. That helps support verify ownership and approve the number change. Use the in-app support chat or submit a ticket with concise details and timestamps of any failed attempts. Stay patient and monitor your email for instructions from the Coinbase support team to finish the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.